This 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 354 MBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 9, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, water heater, TV, carbon monoxide detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Roamer 354 MBH is 11,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.